Hi there. Lesson 4 deals with dragging to move bookmarks, and there really isn't much instruction on what would happen if it didn't go exactly as the book describes it. So I just wanted to go over this quick little video. So I want member status to be up here beneath monthly reports because that's the order in which it should be. So if I just click on it and drag, notice the dark line that moves with me. If the line is all the way to the left, it maintains the hierarchy structure as given. Okay, so I'm going to undo that. I'm going to try it again. I want to show you something different because bookmarks will nest if you're not careful while you're dragging, and some students don't know what happens when they do that. So notice when I move it up here, notice I have a full line, but if I drag to the right, I get a partial line. If I do that, it nests member status under monthly report. And this allows me to effectively collapse that section so that there isn't a lot of busyness to the reader. If I want to see it, I just click the down arrow and it appears again. If that happens to you, if you accidentally let go of your mouse before you're ready, just click on it again and then move it until you get the full line. And then it pulls it back out to the normal hierarchy. So just a little point to hopefully help you in case that happens with the bookmarks, because again, the book mentions nested bookmarks, but it doesn't describe how to attain them or what to do to change them. So hopefully that helps you. All right, let me know if you have any questions.